The world watched in silence as dawn broke over the Black Sea, and the first wave of drones vanished beyond the radar horizon. Operation Flamingo Strike was not just another raid, it was a message. Carved in fire and precision, Ukraine's intelligence, in coordination with Western reconnaissance, had mapped out a target Russia believed untouchable, the Sevastopol naval stronghold. For years, Moscow's crown jewel in Crimea had stood as a fortress, but now, it was about to become a graveyard. At 3:47 a.m., swarms of Ukrainian drones, silent, fast, autonomous, cut through the humid air, their destination, fuel depots, radar stations, and the docked warships that once dominated the Black Sea within minutes. The first explosion tore through the stillness. Flames lit up the coastline, bright enough to be seen from satellites orbiting hundreds of kilometers above. This was not chaos, it was choreography. Each drone moved like a note in a deadly symphony, guided by months of reconnaissance, algorithms, and an unrelenting will to dismantle Russian dominance. By sunrise, 3-caliber missile carriers and 2 patrol corvettes were reduced to smoldering metal. Communications blacked out, Russian rescue teams overwhelmed. But this was just the beginning. Experts call it the turning point of hybrid warfare, where algorithms replaced pilots, and intelligence became as lethal as artillery. Flamingo Strike shattered not just steel, but strategy. Moscow's military doctrine, built on fear and defense, suddenly seemed outdated. The Kremlin had underestimated a smaller, smarter enemy. Ukraine's defense minister, in a brief statement, said only one thing: the flamingos have landed, a cryptic phrase meant to taunt, yet perfectly describing the precision and grace of the operation. Within hours, Russian media scrambled to control the narrative. State television called it a localized fire, a drone malfunction, a provocation. But the world had already seen the footage, verified, time-stamped, and analyzed frame by frame, and for the first time, Russia's walls of denial began to crumble from the inside. As international observers dissected the event, one question echoed across military circles: if drones could destroy Sevastopol, what could they do next? Satellite scans later revealed a deeper truth. The strike didn't just hit fuel or ships, it targeted command relays, data hubs, and encrypted communication nodes. Ukraine wasn't just fighting on the ground or in the air. They were dismantling Russia's digital nervous system. A war once fought with tanks and missiles had evolved into something far more complex. A war of networks, signals, and silent codes, and yet amid Ukraine's victory, there was a whisper, a shadow, an unknown anomaly detected hours after the explosions. A ghost signature, appearing briefly on NATO's radar, moving unlike any known drone, then vanishing. No country claimed it, no data matched it. But those who saw it said one thing: it wasn't Ukrainian, it was another power, watching, or perhaps testing. Operation Flamingo Strike, it seemed, had not only opened the door to a new kind of war, it had also awakened unseen forces waiting in the dark. The question now wasn't who won the battle, but who really controlled the war. In modern warfare, the deadliest weapon is information.